Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Dr. Boyce Watkins. I'm a finance PhD. I've been teaching college students for the last 27 years. I want to warn you about one of the hidden dangers of Robinhood and the surge of investing that we've seen lately. The problem with this surge is that a lot of it's being done very dangerously. You have a lot of bad information out here. You have a lot of people that are giving young people, especially, really bad advice on investing because they don't know the fundamentals. They made a couple trades and they think they're an expert. As a person with a PhD in finance, I can tell you that this is going to lead to serious problems, like the poor kid that did a terrible thing to himself in Illinois after he had a bad Robinhood trade. So I just want you to understand the importance of getting good information so you can make good decisions. Good information is necessary to make good decisions. So if you'd like a free training on how to get started with investing, it's totally free. You can go to firstshareofstock.com. That's firstshareofstock.com. I'd love to help you get started and to do so in a way that is effective and safe. That's critically important because a lot of what's going on right now is kind of the wild, wild west. And I just don't want you to end up in any bad situations. So feel free to go to firstshareofstock.com. That training is totally free. It'll get you started investing with $5 in 5 minutes. I'm Dr. Boyce Watkins. Take care. Have a good day. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.